Luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology, three things that define the all-new 2025 GMC Denali Limousine. A vehicle built for those who demand the best, this limousine takes the legendary Denali name to an entirely new level. Whether it's a high-profile event, a business trip, or simply a journey in unparalleled comfort, this is the ultimate way to travel. With an unmistakable presence on the road, the Denali Limousine commands attention from every angle. The signature chrome grille is now bolder and more intricate, flanked by high-intensity LED headlights that provide a striking first impression. The elongated body design, enhanced aerodynamics, and massive custom wheels create a powerful yet refined look, ensuring that this limousine turns heads wherever it goes. Beneath the hood, the 2025 Denali Limousine boasts a robust 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 420 horsepower. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this limousine glides effortlessly down the road, offering both power and precision. Despite its extended size, advanced adaptive suspension and precision-engineered handling systems make for a smooth and controlled ride. Whether chauffeured or driving yourself, the experience is nothing short of exceptional. Step inside, and you enter a world of pure luxury. The extended wheelbase creates an expansive interior, offering an unmatched level of comfort for passengers. Premium leather upholstery, real wood accents, and handcrafted finishes set the tone for a first-class experience. The seats are not just seats, they're reclining, heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions, turning every journey into a relaxing escape. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the cabin. A high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system provides intuitive control over navigation, media, and connectivity. Multiple high-definition displays allow passengers to enjoy their favorite entertainment on the go, while a state-of-the-art Bose surround sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, immersing everyone in the perfect soundscape. Connectivity is key in today's world, and the 2025 Denali Limousine doesn't disappoint. With onboard Wi-Fi, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports, every passenger stays connected no matter where the road leads. For those who prefer a quiet escape, advanced noise-canceling technology ensures a serene and peaceful cabin environment. A luxury limousine isn't complete without a premium refreshment center, and the Denali Limousine delivers with a built-in mini-bar. Custom lighting, cooled compartments, and high-end glassware provide a sophisticated touch, making every ride feel like a VIP experience. Whether celebrating a special occasion or simply enjoying the ride, this limousine is designed to impress. For the ultimate atmosphere, the ceiling is adorned with a stunning starlight design, reminiscent of luxury private jets. Adjustable ambient lighting allows passengers to create the perfect mood, adding an extra layer of elegance to every journey. Safety and convenience are just as important as luxury, and GMC has packed this limousine with cutting-edge driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering this extended luxury vehicle effortless. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Denali Limousine delivers peace of mind. As day turns to night, the Denali Limousine continues to shine. Its sleek body, illuminated accents, and commanding stance make it one of the most striking vehicles on the road. More than just transportation, this limousine is a statement of success, power, and prestige. The 2025 GMC Denali Limousine redefines what it means to travel in style. With an unmatched blend of performance, technology, and comfort, this is the future of luxury transportation. Whether you're a business executive, a celebrity, or simply someone who demands the best, this limousine is the ultimate way to ride. Subscribe to Auto World for more in-depth reviews, luxury vehicle showcases, and the latest in automotive innovation. Let us know in the comments, would you take a ride in this luxury machine? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.